news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 16. Jesus come back alive. After the Sabbath, Mary Magdalene, Mary James' mother, and Salome buy some sweet spice for anoint Jesus' body. And early in the morning, on the first day of the week, as the sun come up, them head for the tomb. When them did a walk, them said to them one another, "Who a go roll with the stone from in front of the tomb for we?" But when them look up, them see say the big old stone they roll with already. When them go in at the tomb, them shock for see one young man with have on one white jacket sit down on the right hand side. But him said to them, say, "No afraid. Me no say no look for Jesus we come from Nazareth, where they killed on the cross. But him come back alive. Him not there. Look, right over there so them did put him body. So go tell him follower them and Peter too. Say man go to Galilee before them come. When we see him there, just like what him did tell you. Them left the tomb and take foot, cause them did so shocked and confused. Them never say a word to nobody, cause they did so afraid. After Jesus come back alive on the first day of the week, the first somebody where him make see him and Mary Magdalene, the woman where him did run 7 demons out of. She go tell him follower them where did a holler and a ball. And when Mary tell them said Jesus come back alive and that she see him, them never believe her. After that, Jesus show himself in a one different way to two him follower them when them did a walk in the country. Them go back go tell the other one them, but them never believe them. After that, Jesus show himself to him 11 follower them when they need a name. Him talk to them hard, but how them hard is and them hard tough, cause they never believe the one them when it see him after him come back alive. Him tell them say, go all over the world and preach the good news to everybody. If nobody believe and get baptized, and them are gonna get saved. But the one them when no believe, judgment for them. The one them we believe are gonna get power for do the insignia. Then we use female name and run out demon. Then we talk some new language. Then we can use them and pick up snake and no poison. Where them drink, now go do them nothing. Then we put them on pan sick people and make them get better. After the Lord Jesus don't talk to them, God take him up in heaven and make him sit down on him right hand side. And follower them go all about go preach. And the Lord did a work with them. And the sign them where make them do. Show everybody say their message a true sin. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.